Welcome to On Microsoft, conversations and tips from IT pros and developers across a wide range of Microsoft programming, systems, and software issues. You can access related resources, recommended reading, special offers, and more when you visit the On Microsoft Resource Center at informit.com/Microsoft Center.
As a SharePoint site collection expands and more content is added, it progressively becomes more complex for users to find the information they are searching for, or even to be able to navigate their way through the structure of sites, libraries, lists, and documents. Search is a simplified means of finding the material you need without having to know exactly where to find it. So one way to assist the users of your site with navigational needs would be to build a search center to support their requirements. A search center will be set up as a sub-site on a team site. So here we are on our sales team site. Now, one thing to remember, the team sites don't, but collaboration portals already have a search center incorporated within their structure when they're created. So there's no need to add it if you already have an existing collaboration portal or are creating a collaboration portal. But the regular team sites do not have them built in automatically. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a search center. And the search center it's a site template that's meant to create a site that will allow users to perform SharePoint searches on certain specified sites. So in order to start our search center, we're going to go to Site Actions. We're going to click on Site Settings. And on our Site Settings menu, we're going to go down to Sites and Workspaces, and we're going to click there. Now over here, we are going to create a search. So we're going to create, we'll call it Search It, and give it a description. And we'll call it My Search on the URL and the end of the Wahlin group and the sales team site. Now down here, we're going to click on the Enterprise tab, and then we're going to go down and we're going to select Search Center. And here's our template selection, Search Center. We're going to use the same permissions as the parent site. We will put it on the quick launch of the parent site. We do want it to display on the top link bar of the parent site. And we're going to click Create. Now our search has been created. Now that we have our search center, we can go ahead and modify it to best fit our needs. So we're going to again go to the Site Actions menu on this Search It page. We're going to go to Edit Page, and that's going to put us in edit mode. Now what we need to do to customize our search needs is we're going to add a web part. Now right from here, these are the web parts we can choose from to put on our search site. We can do a people search, an advanced search, which is going to let us drill down a little more on what we want to get. A best bet search. There's a lot of different searches we can do. We're going to go ahead and put a people search in that top box. We're going to click Add. And then we're going to add a web part down on the bottom. These are zones. So what we do is we can add a web part to each zone. So we're going to go ahead and choose one more web part to add to the bottom zone. And I think what we'll add is advanced search. We'll add an advanced search box down to the bottom. And now when we exit our edit mode, here's what we have. We have an advanced search down here where we're allowed to do keywords, phrases, whatever you do when you do an advanced search on most websites. And we can do our people search up here as well, along with the regular search box that we started our search center with. So we've defined our search center with these web parts, and we'll hope that they meet the specifications needed for most users using the search on our SharePoint site. Now you can also see we can drill down on some of our menus. When we drill down on our people search up here, we can go ahead and we can search by names. If we don't know the names, maybe we're just looking for a department, we can search by that. And we can search by other things. A lot of times, My Sites page will have different skill sets and responsibilities listed on them. And this people search can go out and crawl through those My Site's pages and comb for what they need as far as if they have any skill sets listed on the page or responsibilities. They can go ahead and pull those out and list them here in the search. Now ultimately, when we search, our search results will be returned with a list of hyperlinks and usually a brief description of the content listed, and then selecting that link will take you to the desired content. So pretty straightforward and pretty simple to use once it is implemented.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than live lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.
Thanks for podcasting with us. Remember to visit the On Microsoft Resource Center, where you can access recommended reading, special offers, and more at informit.com/Microsoft Center. Be sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss a single episode. Brought to you by Inform IT, the trusted technology learning source.